Okay guys, I want to show you a real quick way how to download a Wistia video because you can't write, you can right click on that and blah blah blah. I'm just going to show you a real quick way. View the page source. What you want to do is click on, let's go and find it, let's click on this one, JSON, and what you're looking for is this. Let me just go back and just show you that again. It's this Wistia Medias and it's going to say JSON P, right? Click on that. And what you want to look for is this where it says embedded deliveries and it's got bin at the end. You want to copy this, paste that into the browser, and then you want to change the bin to MP4, hit enter. Hey, aloha. And let me just pause that. And it's going to put you onto the video where you can right click and save video as, and you can save it wherever you want, and that will just download as there. Yep, that's how to download a Wistia video real quick. Thanks guys, bye.